welcome back to my channel Crack Jack Mahi. And today, no, it is not going to be a guitar tutorial. Today, I'm going to be teaching you 7 steps that will really improve your singing. So let's go into the tutorial. Step in how to become a better singer in 7 steps is proper breathing. Now, proper breathing is very important for singers because if you are habitual of taking short breaths, that is wrong. You have to make yourself habitual of taking long breaths. So, for example, if there's a note or a word which is extending long in a song, for example, you must have heard How Far I'll Go from Moana. So, you must have noticed that in the end, how far I'll go, the word go extends for a long time. If you take short breaths and habitual of taking short breaths, you will have a lot of difficulty in doing that long extending note. So you have to make yourself habitual of taking long breaths and then you release go like that. And our second step is muscle warm-ups. Just like your arms, your triceps, biceps and everything, we need to warm up for our throat too, because for example, you go from running, you warm up before running so that you wouldn't get cramps and knots. Just like that, you have to warm up before you sing. Otherwise, after some time, your throat would really hurt after singing and it will hurt your voice. Step, which is posture, is very important for singing. It must not look that or sound that important, but it is very important. So if you sit like this, you will get a bad result in singing. So when you're a singer, you have to improve your posture. You have to sit like this with your neck and back straight. I'll not tell you what the change will happen if you sit like this, because you have to find that out by yourself and tell me in the comment section down below. Now our fourth step, which is finding your range. It is like, if the range of the song is this much and you're only able to sing till this much, then don't pressurize your throat to sing till that much range, so because you can hurt your vocal cords and all that. So you only just sing on the range where you can. For example, if you write a song, you can write it either in your comfort zone, which might be middle, and maybe go a little lower or higher. So if you do modulation, then it looks and sounds better, but you have to keep practicing for that. If you just don't practice on your first day, you're like, I'm gonna sing the hardest song in the world, that will really hurt your throat. So do not try that. Fifth step, which is keep yourself hydrated. Keeping yourself hydrated is very important in daily life also and in singing also. In singing, it really improves your singing actually. So if you sing high pitch, then you will not have pain in your throat actually, and it really improves your singing. If you see any changes, then as I said, comment me down below in this section box. Now our sixth step, which is make sure you're not tone deaf. Many people are tone deaf, but they don't know they're tone deaf. So what exactly is a tone? Tone is the tune of the song. So tone deaf means that you think you're singing amazing, bravo, I should conduct a concert, I should meet this director. So you start dreaming big, but your tone. Okay, so you think you're singing good, but the people around you don't think that. People around you don't like what you're singing and how you're singing. So to improve that, just practice. Practice makes perfect, and one day I promise you will reach and be like a pro. Now our last step, but certainly not the least, our seventh step, which is practice, practice and practice. So everyone knows that practice makes perfect, and if you practice singing a day for at least 30 minutes a day, it will really improve your singing. If you can do more than that, first start with 15 minutes, then 30 minutes. Then if you want, you can increase your practicing time. And if you want to go, guys, one more thing, if you want to really be a serious singer, then you should start I prefer taking singing lessons first to go on a pro level. Then you can start performing on small places like a beach or a restaurant, cafe. There you will gain confidence. You will gain confidence that you can then start getting big works. Maybe you can get overnight internet sensation also. So that's it, guys. I really hope you love my tutorial and it really helped you. So if it did, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't. I post guitar tutorials and this is my first singing lesson tips. So bye bye, see you next lesson.